Hey, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today we're checking out our 2025 Sailfish 241 center console. Let's take a quick peek here. So yeah, if you walk through a transom, very easy access to get in and off the boat. This is powered with a 300 Yamaha, the upgraded metallic white. You have your tool holder back here, which has a saltwater washdown. Rod holders, cup holders across the back. This is also too, you have your telescoping ski pylon on the part of the entertainment package. You have a nice aft folding seat up out of the way. Still plenty of room when you're fishing. You know, if you have a nice bass or a little fluke, step up here in the helm area in the leaning post. You're going to have plenty of storage here. It says it's double drawer. Plano boxes, so you can load up all your gear and everything. Come up here to your seats. These are like a thigh-rise seating. Fold down and also back up, so all you guys that like to stand up and drive, gives you that comfort right against the back of your legs. Up here at the helm, you have a tilt wheel. This has a Garmin 12-inch GPS chart plotter sounder. Switches here. This is your command link, all your controls. Bennett trim tab system with indicator lights, stereo. You have your digital throttle and controls here. Powder coated T-top, PFD storage. This is also color matched to the hull. This is the Whisper Gray. They do a real nice job with that. All kinds of lighting up here at nighttime. Full blue LED lighting package. They do a great job with it. If you step up here forward, also too, if you notice too, the freeboard and depth of the boat. This also too has a removable backrest. That's swivel. Another combing pad if you're up here fishing. Great job. It's also too for guests want to have a seat. Kick back, plenty of leg room. As you can see, I'm pretty tall. You have fish boxes up under here. Insulated lid, and the water drains out to the sides rather than into the bilge. All these cushions can be removed. Anchor lockers up front. It says bow rod holders for any of you guys that like to fish up front. This has lights up here on the top. Same thing again. Move around to this side. And this is actually has our PFD kit in here, but this has an electric head in here, a lot of storage, and battery switch is also in here as well. Bifold door makes it real simple and easy. And same thing again. This is a great all-around boat for doing dock and dine, fishing, crabbing, water sports, or just tooling around, whatever you like to do out on the water. Also too, if you're up at the shoals, you want to anchor up and put the raft in the water with the family. So if you want to see this boat or anything else, give me a call at MarineMax Somers Point, 609-926-0600. This is Patrick Loda. See you on the water.